Hello, babies. How are you? I hope you are fine. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Today we have to work. Do you remember the animals? Please repeat with me. Pig, frog, cow, lion, chicken, cat, monkey, elephant, dog. Today we are going to learn about the sounds of each animal. But first, you have to recognize each animal. Which animal is this? Pig. Repeat the name. Pig. Which animal is this? Frog. Repeat the name. Frog. Which animal is this? Cow. Repeat the name. Cow. Lion. Lion. Repeat the name. Lion. Chicken. Chicken. Repeat the name. Chicken. Cat. Cat. Repeat the name. Cat. Cat. Monkey. Monkey. Repeat the name. Monkey. Monkey. Elephant. Elephant. Repeat the name. Elephant. Dog. Dog. Repeat the name. Dog. Very good. You are so smart. Now you have to imitate the sounds of each animal. Okay? Cat. Cat. Which sound does the cat make? Meow. Meow. Repeat after me. Meow. Meow. Excellent. Cow. Cow. Which sound does the cow make? Moo. Moo. Repeat after me. Moo. Moo. Dog. Dog. Which sound does the dog make? Woof. 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 Repeat after me. Woof. 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 Excellent. Chicken. Chicken. Which sound does the chicken make? Pew pew. Pew pew. Repeat after me. Pew pew. Pew pew. Nice. Monkey. Monkey. Which sound does the monkey make? Ooh ooh ah ah ah. Ooh ooh ah ah ah. Repeat after me. Ooh ooh ah ah ah. Ooh ooh ah ah ah. Very good. Pig. Pig. Which sound does the pig make? Oin 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 oin. Oin oin. Repeat after me. Oin oin. Oin oin. Well done. Elephant. Elephant. Which sound does the elephant make? Frrrr. Frrrr. Repeat after me. Frrrr. Frrrr. Excellent. Frog. Frog. Which sound does the frog make? Rabbit. Rabbit. Repeat after me. Rabbit. Rabbit. Well done. Lion. Lion. Which sound does the lion make? Roar. Roar. Repeat after me. Roar, roar. Very, very good. You are a little genius. I'm so proud of you. I know you are doing a great job. Keep going. Bye, babies. See you later. I love you guys.